Unleashing confidence. The power of gas up in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might confuse non-native speakers but is actually quite uplifting in its use. We're talking about to gas up, and no, we're not heading to a petrol station. If you want to learn how to boost someone's confidence with just words, keep watching as we unpack this energizing expression. To gas up might first bring to mind the act of filling up your vehicle with fuel. However, in slang, it takes on a different, more vibrant meaning. When someone says they're gassing you up, they're not coming at you with a fuel nozzle. Instead, they're offering praise or encouragement, inflating your ego or confidence much like you would fill a balloon with air. It's all about making someone feel good. This section is critical because using slang in the right context is vital. You gas up your friends when they need a confidence boost or when they've achieved something. Picture this: your friend just got a promotion. You might say, "I have to gas you up for a moment. That promotion was well deserved because you're amazing at your job." Let's put to gas up into action. Imagine various scenarios where this phrase could light up a conversation. Compliments. "I'm just here to gas you up. Your new haircut looks incredible." Encouragement. "You're going to ace your interview. Consider this me gassing you up because I know you've got this." Recognition. "Let me gas you up a bit. Your speech was the highlight of the evening." These examples show that to gas up is a versatile tool in your linguistic toolkit. It's fascinating to note that to gas up is a relatively modern phrase, rooted in American English slang. It reflects a culture that values affirmation and positive reinforcement. Understanding such phrases can give English learners a deeper insight into the social and cultural nuances of the English-speaking world. And there you have it, folks. You now know how to gas up someone in English, adding a burst of positivity to someone's day. Remember, words have power, and with phrases like these, you can make that power a force for good. We hope this video has filled your linguistic tank with some high-octane knowledge. Until next time, keep learning and keep gassing up your friends and loved ones.